This is a review video of a PS5 controller charging stand for PlayStation 5. I purchased this item because I needed a fast, reliable, and organized way to charge my PS5 controllers while keeping them neatly stored when not in use. I like to use this for charging my controllers between gaming sessions, ensuring they're always ready to go when it's time to play. Some of the features include a 2-hour fast charging capability thanks to its copper connectors and custom AC adapter, providing a safe and optimized charge for up to 2 controllers at the same time. It's compatible with both PS5 and PS5 Edge controllers, making it a versatile addition to your setup. The stand doubles as a storage organizer, keeping your gaming space clean and stylish. The on-off switch on the back allows you to save power when not in use. Plus, the LED indicator lights are a standout feature. Red means charging and blue means fully charged, with a sleek LED strip that flashes while charging. So my final thoughts, the PS5 controller charging stand is a must-have accessory for any PS5 gamer. It's fast, convenient, and blends perfectly with the PS5 aesthetic while keeping your gaming gear organized. A worthy replacement for the OEM charging station.